Wagwan ENT.
Oh, now.
Jaro, got it sound.
Powered up, ooh, now. Powered up, ooh, yeah. Powered up yourself right now. A long time, Jaro, I wait for you. Oh, now. A long time, Jaro, send come call you. Oh. Now you just feel become. Oh. Jaro, I got up, you make it run a man down. So, ribbit me and ribbit me elbow. Tita, toe, say them all in a row. Donkey want me want and you feel all him Joe. Jack Master in a Wi-Fi go. Jaro, the rubber dub sound. Papa Jaro, the heavyweight sound.
We are go hold them, yes, we are go control them. We are go hold them, yes, we are go control them. Yeah, a long time we call them just feel fi come. No Papa Jaro, I go throw them down. We are go hold them, yes, we are go control them. We are go hold them, yes, we are go control them. Yeah. Beefing, baffing, boofing, my sound boy get dropped. Don't you know what Papa Jaro do that? We are go hold them.
So we do it
Yes, we
again,
are go
so we
control
find them. I miss the one and we do and we can't they on street. Do and we drink and we can't they on street. Don't ask me why. Stand your point. See, what makes the heated sound? Can't come in at the dance. Stand your come out our face. Play. Run my jump on. Killamanjaro.
Jaro, got it sound.
So we do it again, so we street fan them. I miss the one and we do and we can't they on street. Do and we drink and we can't they on street. Don't ask me why. Stand your point. See, what make that heated sound? Can't come in at the dance. Stand your point. See, every day one gone in, while the other one coming home. They don't seem to know what we are facing in life. On the street, jump and sound, Killamanjaro a champion now. I miss the one and we do and we can't they on street. Do and we G and we can't they on street. Don't ask me what. Standing Jaro.
What eyes don't see, heart don't live. What ears don't hear, do Jaro, it's no fair. Do what you may, sound boy, say what you will, because it's you are the one who Jaro is gonna kill. The faster you climb is the harder you drop. You better take your time till you reach the top, yeah. Cause if you walk too fast, you'll have to walk again. Tell them. You better take your time till you reach, my friend.
Yo! Oh,
It's murder music in the dance hall, it's so tight. Jaro playing the vibe so right. When you come and dance, must make no fuss, no fight. You must make the nice vibes right. No need to fuss, no need to fight. Jaro sound gonna kill them tonight. Hey, whoa, see, whoa, oh, whoa. Hey, I'm from me stand up on the Jaro sound and I burn me got your pipe. When Babylon come and tell me that's not right. Me say me burn it and pass it and right. And then them come in and them look for rich. Then said, hey, Chupa Lord, where you come from? You must have two stick of sensi under your thumb. I said, no, officer Lord, you must be mad. He only smokes cigarettes and strictly shag.
Got it, sound.
See, whoa, ooh-wee, whoa, hey, whoa, hold on. First thing rain so nice, Jara gonna pack some sun away.
Yeah, man, the big bad Killamanjaro in the place.
We got no coast to look.
Silver Star presents.
Jara looking for
Getting ready for this Saturday clay oven.
Jara looking for a better day.
The 11th of May.
The thing about sound.
Killamanjaro alongside Saxon.
Cause it's the only thing gonna bring them this pain. Jara. Comes a time when we could all kill some sound, boy. But let go, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Cause Jara, we're gonna kill some sound, you know. Let go, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. So boy, you better let it flow, Jara. Don't nobody want no broke heart. Don't nobody want no two-time loser. Oh, Jara, you ain't no loser. Don't nobody love you like you are. Till it takes whatever it brings your way. Jara, whatever it brings your way. Jara, you see the thing of it. Some boy disrespect. But you cannot disrespect with the super boy.
Aye, good Jara, don't say the Killamanjaro, who today, tomorrow, Killamanjaro. Killamanjaro, a place. In this a clash, try notice. Nevertheless, yes, it's a sound never jealous. Killamanjaro, I'm a crying to you, Jaro needs your help. What's that? Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, whoa. I sing, oh Jah, keep Jaro strong. I sing, oh Jah, to carry on for his love, Jah. All he's receiving is hate. I sing, oh Jah, keep Jaro strong. I sing, oh Jah, to carry on for his love, Jah. All he's receiving is hate.
Well, easy back to splendid. Answer back. Bugging. Jumping sound boy, oh man, play. Don't you know that Jaro leads the way? Jumping sound boy, oh man, play.
One
Jaro
ENT.
sound is here to stay. No sense denying when Jaro is playing. Feel the heat. Everyone feel the vibe.
Jaro. Got it, sound.
When Jaro plays. Even if a songboy reaches back against the wall, I try to play Jaro song. I need to jump and sound up your far.
Yeah, man, right about now, Silver Star presents Killamanjaro in the building. Maphead representing. Getting ready for the big event. Dancehall excitement. Big up to Clash Lord.
Even have them, even have them, some boys as they fall, even have them,
Send them in a sorrow. Killamanjaro. Well, Ben. Chupa, let's send them in a sorrow. Why?
Oh well, yeah. I hope Jaro a sound, some without end, yeah. The hypocritical sound system, I hit a government. G-Way.
Play to him. Play to him. Play to way. Play to way. Play to him. I ain't never seen this before. I ain't never seen this before. I ain't never seen this before. Never seen so many people beat down this fancy comedian. And to them is a Killamanjaro and see them. And Killamanjaro combine something say king. How do you mean? Oh, we feel the vibes is flowing right. And Killamanjaro play tonight. Twinkling feelings to my mind. And I wanna tell you so much. That when I jump down and the sound can show us down, show us down. So I give you one and a rest to believe we Killamanjaro.
Jaro, I feel motion. Jaro too bad, Jaro too rude. Any other sound test I'm bound to confuse. Jaro too bad, Jaro too rude. Any other sound test I'm bound to lose. For once you say you are the champion, but tonight we gonna prove you wrong. Hey sound boy, do you overstand? The Jaro sound are the real champion. We're too bad, yes we're too rude. Any other sound is I'm bound to confuse. Jaro too bad, Jaro too rude. Any other sound is I'm bound to lose. You can bet your last dollar tonight. We gonna put you under pressure just like that. Tony, I give you rubber ducky. Coming at you non-stop.
Girls dancing on their toes.
Yes, we do.
Ooh, yeah. Someone, we may not have a 45, but we got a Dubplate for you. Someone, and if you think it's a lie, just look in our eye and you'll see it red like blood. Jaro not joking, someone, you'll be dying. Ooh, yeah. Jaro not playing, someone, you'll be running. Ooh, yeah, girls, this is what we got and this is what we bring. Rubber dub for you, my empress. Sweet for your sweet and sugar for your honeycup. Yeah, Jaro, yes, we love it so much. Rubber dub.
Yeah, man, half pint playing on the big bad Killamanjaro.
See there, big up.
Whoa, yeah. Check out the real situation.
So there you go and play some more songs. So let's fire some more songs.
Arrow, you are mine, and we kill sounds together. Yes, we kill sounds forever, for eternity. This is up and enough respect. Jaro sound and murder. Oh God, a murder. You shouldn't try test this sound, yeah, no. A murder. You shouldn't try play this sound, yeah, no. We a go kill them a one by one, and Jaro a go kill them a 2 by 2, and Jaro a go kill them a 3 by 3. Come catch up on the Tony Papa loving spree.
Lord, all the while them coming at the dance, I go on like them big and them broad. But jump on, I want you to know Jaro, the ruler of the dance. He ma go carry them, just because them run up them out, he ma go carry them. Jaro, bury them. Say Jaro, he ma go bury them. Whoa, well, cause many sound up, try to test, many sound up, try to compete. But all those jump on who tried, they all get their reheat. He ma go bury them. Say Ricky Chupa ma go bury them. Cause because them run up them out, he ma go bury them. So baby, gonna be rough time. Rapper than the beach inside the mango marrow. Oh Lord, and baby's gonna be blood. Jaro.
All wicked people enjoy the game. It's operating on the sound boy. On the
it a go trade in a this a Armageddon. Fire going burn in a this a Armageddon. Blood it a go run in a this a. What me? Sound boy no know no better. So what's a them a suffer as they see a opportunity. Grab it a no matter till things get hotter. And then start the hotter. Hotter than them know say them get the shatter.
Zip, zip, Jaro, call back your bow and to let this one go. Zoom straight to as some boys head for me. Nobody but me. Jaro, please hear my cry and to let this one fly. Zoom straight to I eat that some boys head for me. Whoa, ow. I say, Jaro, don't wanna bother you, but I'm in distress. Eat that sound boy out there in my cause of distress. I know you can kill this guy with now the Jaro question. Before we step to the gate, does she love me with all her heart? Should I worry when we're apart? It's a Jaro's question. I'd like to know. Oh, 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 oh. No, oh, 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 no, oh, oh, oh,
Some say them are outlaw, but Killamanjaro I go keep them lockjaw. Some say them are outlaw, but Killamanjaro I go keep them lockjaw. You will after we act we sound for them and tell them don't make Satan be them friend. Still them end up get condemned. After we act we sound for them and tell them don't make Satan be them friend. Still a song but unheed them. Hey song boy, nobody make the little devil control you. Yeah you too. Hey song boy, nobody make the little devil control you. Yeah
anything else looks strange.
Cause some songs say them out.
Hey, Killamanjaro sound. Them can't play like a you. All them along up them mouth and a slow. Chill on body low. Them can't jungle like you. When Killamanjaro don't start to play, they never blind you. Whop them one and Jaro, whop them two. Up a road from a scam pavilion. Excitement when Killamanjaro touch them you. I know what is happening.
When you Mr. Soundful, you come and tell me say you roll. All I say you grab your head guns go. Now Jaro, hold your weight to 45 and you dey jump like a mule. Hey, you Mr. Sound Clown, I chat about you want a shoulder.
Hey, Jaro! Jaro, let us live in peace. Let me feel the love. Unity in the east. Let me see the dogs. Fire upon the beast. Abolish all the grudge. And let us give praises to the Father above. Jaro, let me hear your voice. Put them all to shame. Let us make the choice. Make we end the pain. Deliver it in a noise. Who will bear the blame? We getting screwed over again and again. Jaro, make me feel your strength. Rise up and be strong. Choose your government, but condemn them when they're wrong. The country is the people, but the people get it done. And then the time will come.
Jaro, ask them this. Ask them. What them? Oh, Jaro. Oh, we look and we tell them Almighty God Jaro love you.
Wagwan ENT.